Hey gang, Chris here. Real Window Creative. We're going to dig into Adobe Firefly today. Beta. Adobe Photoshop Beta. It's got the new AI Generative tool, good for filling in spots. We're just going to pick a simple image, and I did it for a friend whose hubby passed away, and the daughter's missing dad. So I'm just going to kind of fill in the borders. Here we go. Let's go. We're rolling. So here, I've got my image here, just sitting right here. Just going to click on it, open it up. I'm going to bring it in a little bit bigger. You can see we've got the Adobe Generate tool right down here. Oh, you can't see it. That's weird. Okay, I'm covering it. Okay, let's move that. We'll move that over here. So that's the tool, right? So what you got to do is make a selection. So I would like to get rid of these borders. I mean, I could just crop it, but that wouldn't work for the video. So here we go. So to start with, I'm just gonna make a selection here on the top of that border. Well, that's not it. So I'm gonna take my tool, marquee tool, put the marquee around. You can see your generative fill bar has popped up there, and I'm just going to hit it. So now it's asking me to describe what you'd like to generate, or feel free to leave this blank. So I could put something in there, try to tell it sky, whatever. I'm just going to try it with nothing. Let's see what happens. So that's going to work its magic. Behind the scenes wizardry. Adobe's amazing. I partner with Adobe. They sell my images, and they just continue to amaze me. So what happened? Where'd it go? Nothing showed up. Now that's weird. Oh, I gotta hit generate? No, weird. Let's try that again. I must have done something wrong. I'm a rookie. Rookies trying to show rookies. Okay, well, something happened, but it wasn't what I wanted. So what the hell happened? Let's try it again. We're gonna try it one more time. So we're gonna pick this area right here. Maybe it's because I didn't have it needs to see some of the image if you're not going to put something in there, so it'll generate based on that. And it pulls from like thousands of images. Little did I know that my photography put on Adobe would be training the AI. That was kind of a surprise jolt, and it took me a minute, but it's all for the good, man. It's another tool creatives can use. I love it. So let's try that again. Just gonna leave it blank. This time I think it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. I gotta put a sound effect in here. Something like ticking clock or something. There we go. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty good. Now you can see right here, you can kind of see the edge, but that's easily fixed. Perfect. So let's do the rest. Nothing to it. So now it's going to get a little tougher over here because you got some dirt, and over here you got part of that motorcycle. That'll be fun. So here we're going to just generate, not tell it anything. We've got a little bit of the image in there, which is key. That's why we didn't get anything first couple times. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can't even tell. Holy moly. This thing's amazing. Okay. Zoom out a little bit more here. I need to figure out how to zoom out a little less. Whatever. Let's leave it right there. So now this will be the telling one. What's it going to do with that? Those bags. Here we go. We'll find out. Generating, leaving it blank. It's probably going to make them longer. No big deal. Not really realistic, but that's not what we're worried about at this moment. Yeah, we got some extra long bags, but cool. Look at that. Now, it picked up some of the red somewhere. I don't know. That's easily fixed. And we'll show you how to do that in a minute. Let's get the bottom. Oh, this is so cool. one of those game show sound effects right here I'm going to have to put in. Post-production. Whoa! Look at that. It even added on to the dude's shadow. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Wow, now I can't. Okay, so we got a little bit of some artifacts up here. But I can't even see that line I could see before. I'm just going to take the spot healing brush tool. First, I'm going to flatten all the layers because right now it's trying to work on this layer over here, and I don't want to do that. See my layers over here getting stacked up. Let's see if we can show all those. I'm going to flatten this image. Image, let's see, layer, flatten image. Now I'll be able to work on that. That's too big. Change our size of our tool here. Boom, boom. Clean that up. Clean those up. Clean up. Anything else needs to be cleaned up? I'm calling that good, man. With that red, you know, that like could be the license plate. I'm just going to leave it. But you could clone that out. What the hell? We'll clone it out real quick. So clone, I got to hit the Option key to pick my area. And then I'm just going to clone that guy out. How about that? Look at that. Nothing to it. It's like painting. Doesn't have to be perfect. You know, I could do it better. I probably need to change my tool. It's got a soft edge, so it's not really giving me a hard edge. So what I would do is go up here, change the hardness, and pick a different brush. General brushes, open that up. Now there's a hard round. Now that'll do better on that. All right, so now, but I went too far. We're going to undo that, undo clone stamp. It's good enough for me. I could work on that, zoom in, do a little better. No big deal. You get the idea. That's the AI generative fill. And this wraps this video. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. We've got a lot more stuff coming. I'm getting ready to pump them out. Next couple are how to make a bedroom studio on a budget and how to make a set in that same room. One side's going to have the studio. One side's going to have the set. I'm going to have a rolling table in between for shooting off of or sitting with a computer, whatever. It's going to be really fun. I've rented a studio space downtown just for you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And also leave me a comment, if you would, in the comment section on a video you'd like to see, something you'd like to learn in Photoshop or Lightroom or Premiere, something I can show you custom. I'll even take your images. Just like this is a friend's image. I'll do an image tutorial for you with your image, shows you how to do what you want to do to it. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Till next time, Chris here, Real Creative. Signing out. Bye-bye.